so Tracy and I are going to show you how to build an outside campfire. So first of all, you need an area to build your fire. So if you haven't got a dome, you can use a piece of ground with stones around, so that's quite safe. Then we need some water close by, just in case. And then you need your fire lighters, your kindling and your logs. So here we've got our lighter, fire lighters, kindling and logs. So there's many types of campfire that you can build. We're going to go with the pyramid, and Tracy's about to set it up now.
Right, fire lighters are down. We're going to take our kindling, but the most important thing is to grade it. So we start with the small ones, build to the outside ones. And there isn't much wind today, but if there is wind, you always put the place where you're going to light it from on the leeward side. So we're going to build our pyramid to the best of our ability. And we'll just keep stacking the wood around there until we've got a good wigwam effect. So I'm going to try and come into the fire from this side. So I'll leave a gap as we've graded our logs into smaller to larger. And so we're going to continue to build the pyramid using our smaller logs. And then once we're going, with luck, we can put the bigger logs on. So we're going to do the same sort of thing again. Building a pyramid of our larger logs. Okay, so I have a long pointy lighter stick. It's a bit safer. And all I'm going to do is light my fire lighters. Here we go. And I've just saved a little one to close the door. Okay, so once we've got that lit and we're comfortable it's going to go, then we can actually just start to put some of the big logs on the outside just to get our fire going sufficiently. I might leave that one to later. There we go, and that is our campfire lit. Our fire's going, it's cracking on, which is great, but just bear in mind you always keep your kindling, your fire lighters and indeed your lighter away from the fire and in a safe elevated position, hopefully off the ground and damp. And the final hint, you need one of these. Wouldn't go anywhere without this.
Final bit is to enjoy a nice cold beer or glass of wine. Cheers.
Cheers all.